Hello everyone, I have an unboxing from Twilight Garden Wax. So let's take a peek at what's inside. Oh, candy. Candy. Alright, so here is her card. Beautiful as usual. And here is her normal message that she gives out. To care for your wax. The invoice, I don't even remember what I ordered. I don't think I ordered much because fall comes with so many bakery scents. And I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing me say I'm not a bakery scent type chick. So let's see what's in here. Oh, more stuff. It looks like we have a sticker in here. Some more candy. One of those crackers. I'm so used to what she puts in the package, I don't even have to open it up. I already know what's in there. Although that Starbucks sticker was new. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes. And more yes. I love her. Alright, so what's inside the box? Yeah, it's so empty. I'm sad. I don't have much in here. I think I ordered one that's sort of like bakery, but I just wanted to try the scent. Right, so what do we have here? I saw that she was having the Salem's come back, which I love and I've demoed before. And so I had to get two because the scent was freaking amazing and the design is gorgeous. And so I got this one, and then I got this one. And, oh, here it is. Here's the one that I said that I got that was a sort of like a bakery scent. This is toasted coconut donut. I don't know why. It sounded intriguing to me. Matter of fact, I'm going to hold on and I'm going to smell it. It actually does smell like toasted coconut donut. I like the smell of coconut, so I thought I would go ahead and see what this is about. So here we are, the toasted coconut donut. I really thought it was going to be smaller. I forget how big her things are sometimes. I ordered another one of these, Radiant Maple Lane, because literally the scent on this one was awesome. And it just put me in a fall mood. And then Lavender Beach, beautiful little rose. Falling Leaves. I'll have to open that up and show you in a minute. Here's some samples. Watermelon buttercream. I was tempted to actually buy that scent. Caramel apple. Caramel pears. I love that shape. Breath of Life. And then we have this little Sleepy Hollow, which is brain shaped. And then these two I'm going to have to open up. I'll be right back. And so as I was opening them up, this thing smells freaking awesome. This is Plum Warmth. And it is beautiful. And it smells amazing. And then Falling Leaves is a beautiful little melt with a leaf in the middle. I'm holding it backwards. Double layer color. Smells like fall. So again, we have the Falling Leaves, which is the crisp falling leaves on autumn mist, and it smells like a fall day. Then the Plum Warmth notes are citrus, plum, black cherry, amber, sugar, musk, freezy, and vanilla. Sleepy Hollow is boozy blend of pumpkin, coconut, cassia, clove, dark bourbon, maple, oak, wood smoke, Palo Santo. Beautiful blend of lavender and salty sea air. This one was apple cider, smoky, woodsy notes, caramel, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg. Little sample. Then we had the Salem Palo Santo Patchouli Birch Black Pepper. So I'm telling you guys, if you are able to snag some of these. And I had 2 of those. And then finally, the toasted coconut donut, vanilla donut drizzle with coconut milk glaze, hints of caramel butter, rum, and topped with toasted coconut. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 Haribo candies. Alright guys, that's it for Twilight Garden Wax. If you haven't given them a try, please do. You can now use code INKY10 for 10% off. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.